ka na lang, akin ka na lang. May Thai fan bullet. Ooh! Sawadika! Sawadika! Nanona ha. Jazz version naman pa nag-aaway. Wait lang, isip ako scenario. Wait lang, isip ako. Bigyan niyo ako ng scenario. Kaya pa nag-away kami ni Jazz. Whenever we fight, we rarely fight. We had a big fight, pero it was like, so tagal na. Okay, so when we fight, like this. Kunyari, nag-fight kami ni Jazz. Hey girl. Hey girl, I noticed that a while ago, you were like, turning down the things that I've been saying about you. What? Wait lang. Take two. Ano mo magandang scenario? Wala akong maisip. Wait. Okay, sige. Kaya kami ni Jazz. Ako si AJ. Hey Jazz, what you did a while ago was really, really offensive. Did you even notice what you did? Did you even know what you did? No. Wait. No. What did I even do? Nakakaisip. Ay, sumabaliw na ako. Ang hirap naman. Ay, meron pa akong keme sa ilong. Wait lang, isa pa. Take 3. Wait lang, isa pa. Wait lang. Jazz, what the frick are you doing? No, girl, what the frick are you doing? So what are we doing? Ang hirap. Wala akong maisip na scenario. Hindi ako pang ganun. Ang hilap. Kunyari, kinain yung last kutsinta. O, sige. Okay. Action. Where's the kutsinta na nandito kanina? I saved that for myself to eat after the shoot. Where the hell is it? Oh, was that yours? Si Jess yun. Was that yours? I didn't know. I ate it. Girl, I literally said a while ago, that's mine. And I saved that for myself after the shoot. Why did you eat it? Sorry that I didn't know. Okay then. You don't listen kasi. You don't listen. Girl, I was in the bathroom. How would I know? No. Okay. I'm just gonna buy one. Okay. But still. I need Cisco. I'll just buy you then. No, I can buy. The end. Ganon. Huwag niyo papakita kay Jasmine, nagbabatukan ako nun. Sabihin niya yung accent niya. Ganon. Pag nag-aaway, ganon. Nandito si Leo. No, mate. Cheers. Ganon yun si Jasmine. No, mate. How would I know? No. Nagiging British. Ang hirap ng accent niya. Tinuruan niya ako eh. Sabi ni Jazz. And I'm gonna say, kasi nga, minsan tamad daw magsalita. Dapat isipin mo tamad ka magsalita. So, for example, I don't know. Ganon! Natural siya. I don't know. Cheers, mate. Oh! I nailed that. Grabe yun. I nailed that. Sino mapang-asar sa inyo? Kaming tatlo, lahat kami. Para kami tatlo, OA kami, differently. Tapos, nonchalant din kami, differently. Gets you ba? Parang, minsan, pag sabay-sabay kami naging OA, ang gulo-gulo talaga namin. Tapos minsan, dalawa OA, yung isa nonchalant. Tapos bilang, yung dalawa nonchalant, isa OA. Masa ganun. Wait lang. Charge ba? Paano yung nonchalant na Well, di nyo pa kasi ako pag nakakasama ako ng alam nila kung paano ako maging nonchalant. Di ko ma-explain myself, pero I am really, may times talaga na, guys, baka nakakalimutan nyo, I'm literally an introvert. But I'm trying my best to be social, Hi Chelsea, congratulations on your graduation. Deserve. Good luck on your new journey being a graduate person. My nails are cream. It's not white though. It's like dirty white. Na ganito. Who is that girl I see? Nagpintas ka be. What's pintas? What's pintas? Maganda. Pintas is like when you lait someone, right? It's Ilocano. Okay. Sabi ko, may pinintasan ba akong tao? Mahal mo versus mahal ka. Ako yung tipong, gusto ko yung mahal ako. Kasi it's not that hard for me to love someone, to like someone. Di naman mahirap mahalin ng mga tao. Though hindi ako ma-attach. Thank you for the blue bubble, Mia. Gihugmatika. Favorite song? As of the moment, nagsimula sa simple na pasuyap, nagpapapansin sa'yo. Umawat sa balitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kamusta, kain na? Hello, magandang umaga. Yun. Ikaw ang bubayat pa. Very cute, Mar. Sinipon dahil sa papaulan nila. Ngay, wala akong sinipon. Dahan-dahan lang kita. Isa din yan. Sinta ko. Okay lang ba yung 6/15? Syempre hindi, pero if you worked hard for that 6 points, go, work, go sis. Pero kung di ka nag-aral tapos nagre-reklamo ka na 6/15 ka, hindi talaga okay. Tsaka gusto ko din yung... Okay, may nagtatanong. Genuine question lang po. Kung may magbabalik sa buhay mo na kusang umalis, sa tanggapin niyo po ba? Diba sabi mo nun sa'kin na ako yung may umalis sa buhay mo na tas walang pasabi tas babalik. Para sa akin, it would be really hard for me to accept you. Pero nire-respeto ko yung decision mo to remove yourself out of my life without even telling me why. I respect that. Pero kung babalik ka without any explanation, without hindi tayo nagka-closure, hindi tayo ganyan, I don't think, depende sa pag-uusap, pero it would be really difficult for me. Kasi you leaving alone was difficult na. Tas babalik ka after leaving me broken and unsure and questioning stuff, overthinking stuff, what did I even do to you, things like that, and then babalik ka out of nowhere. It would be really difficult. Para sa akin, it's a no. It's a no. Unless suyuin mo ako. Wow! Suyuin mo ako. Unless you do something, a gesture that will really, diba? Parang you deserve better than that. You deserve someone na will stay. Kasi for me, it parang siyang back burner in a way. Parang babalik ka kasi thank you for that. Thank you, Savvy. Parang you just back burner kasi nandyan, babalik na lang sa'yo pag kailangan ka ulit. Tapos aalis pag hindi ka na kailangan. Yun lang. It's my, kung pipiliin ka ng genre, sino crush mo ngayon? Anong relate? Anong relate? Lagi na lang ako, dead man, light man, dead man. What's your thoughts po sa one-sided love po sa friendship? I experienced that. Leave. That's not friendship. Friendship is a two-way thing. Hindi mo deserve yun. Hindi mo ba talaga ako papansinin? Ayoko. Meaning ng AJ ay aking jowa. Wow! That's a first. Hello. Kamukha mo po girlfriend ko. Diba sabi mo rin sa'kin na ako yung panalangin? Magkasakaling pwede ba? Okay, dami-dami ng mga lang sa'kin, pero bakit nandyan ka ba? G22 po ba? Ginagawa mo dito? Ay, Jello. Fave lyrics ng Balaban. Ano? Siyempre yung sinulat ko. Self-proclaimed. Anyway. Kumain ka na ba? Donut. Si Palaban pala to eh. Hello? Papa. Bakit donut lang? Cravings ko. Ganda, wala makeup. Ba't kayo ganyan? Di talaga, promise. Wala akong makeup ngayon, pero wala akong pakialam. Bahala na. Cute nyo naman. Salamat naman sa nakaka-appreciate na wala akong makeup. Give me na rin. Charot. Si bored. Monyeka. Wala ba kayong tanong? Magtanong nga kayo. Inutusan. Ganda ng mata mo. Wow, thank you naman. Kinikilig naman ako. Nakakilig naman. What's your inspo with Palaban? Definitely our ancestors. Those women who fought for their right to speak, their right to fight, ganon. Definitely them. Kasi kung wala sila, wala kami ngayon. Wala tayong, ang women, walang freedom of speech. And walang, ganon. Mahirap talaga. Ate, bakit ang sakit? Ng alin? Watch me! Ang lamig! Asa lamigin? Ah! Butik pa ako malaglag. Can you do 3-minute act with British accent? Ayoko! Guys, ayoko. Hindi talaga. Hindi ko talaga kaya yan. As in, just ask me questions. Just make me do other things. Ah! Promise. Hindi ko talaga kaya mag-accent. Can you fetch me some water? Hindi talaga. Kantahan ko na lang kayo. Spectral Patrono. Hindi talaga, darling. Darling, hindi talaga. It's a no, darling. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Konyohin mo na lang kami. Sure ba kayo, guys? I worked really hard to hide yung kakonyohan ko kasi I really turned this in. I don't want. I realized I used to be like so cringe. Like, hi, Ruru! Mwah! Miss you guys. Hi, Ruru. Guys, you're from H&M. Slay. Ganon ang atake. I'm an English Shara halata. Konyo, sure kayo ah. Kind of, it's been a long time. It's not, like, it comes out naturally kasi, you know, parang, whenever I'm surrounded with people na, for example, whenever I go home, or I go back to South, or I'm with my friends, it naturally, you know, comes out. But, whenever I'm, like, here, or I talk to people na, you know, Hindi ako nagkokonyo. As in, kasi, di ko lang, basta, inaayon lang natin sa kung sinong kausap natin. Ano yon biceps ni Stel? Kanina ka pang AJ ng AJ dyan. Meaning ng kantang Palaban. Palaban. Strong. Lumalaban. Synonyms. Gusto mo matutong mag-Ilonggo? Kabalo ko maghambal. Kagang mom ko ay Ilongga man siya. Kabalo ko maghambal. Everyone. Gamay lang. Dili ko pero Bisaya and Ilonggo, sometimes I mix up. Congrats sa new endorsement nyo. Thank you! Dili ako Bisaya, guys. I'm Ilongga. I know how to understand Ilonggo when you speak it to me. But if I speak Ilonggo, hiligay nun, I really have to think about it. Kasi I always see my mom. I always see my mom. Parang nag-a-appear siya sa brain ko whenever I speak Ilonggo, like judging me from afar. Oh my gosh! Rhythm niya ate is here! Play it while driving to the hospital. Hi Autumn, miss you. See you soon. Tuod? Doc Ran is here. Hi Autumn. Hi Doc. It's been a long time. Oh, Natalia, my cousin's here. Talia, you wanna join? Talia, you wanna do live with me? Talia. Ano masasabi mo sa haters? Bashers. Alam mo, I'm actually thankful for them. You know why? Because pinapahaba nila yung pasensya ko. Like, napapractice ko talaga yung patience ko dahil sa mga haters and bashers. Like, dati ganun lang yung patience ko, pero gumaganon siya. And, napapractice ko talaga siya, natitrain ko yung patience ko. So, I'm actually grateful for them. Ate, may banat ako. Go! You banat that! Magsalita ka nga lang Ilonggo tuloy-tuloy. Hindi! Wala ko kabalo! Wala ko kabalo, man. Sana yung banat niya. Alam mo ba sana cardiologist ka lang? Sabi, bakit? Sana cardiologist ka na lang. Bakit? Bisaya, marunong ka. Dili. My friend. Saan na yung banat mo? Advice para maging palaban. Palaban ka naman eh. Iba-iba tayo ng way paano maging palaban. Palaban ka. Siguro yung image mo lang ng palaban is someone na strong, na confrontational, ganyan. Pero palaban is a spectrum, there's a wide variation to it. Palaban ka, for example, palaban ka if you sometimes choose to stay quiet on situations na will make you will make you mad na di mo na makilala yung sarili mo, mga ganyan. Palaban yun. Palaban also is when you choose yourself to rest, ganyan, on times na basta malaki ang ng pagiging palaban. Hindi lang siya basta you're confrontational, you're straightforward, yung things like that. Palaban ka, hindi mo lang na-identify kung which part of you is palaban. Yun. Palaban ka din if, for example, you acknowledge your vulnerability. If you acknowledge your vulnerability and you feel every emotion na you have in yourself, palaban din yun. Pag magiging basher ba ako nito, papansinin na ba ako? Genuine question lang. Siyempre, hindi. Dead mo sa bashers. Wow! Para ikaw na lang mag-alaga ng puso ko. Tama ka na. Charot. Instrument you wanna learn. Cello. I really wanna learn cello ever since, pero wala talaga eh. Mahirap talaga eh. You wrote the rap sa Papapalaban, yes. I did. Ano ba tong bangs na to? Ano pa ganyan yung take natin? Fave rap na sinulat mo? Probably Papapalaban. No. Meron pa. Unreleased. Ito nga ngani. Ngani. Kaon ka na, lab? Ako, dili pa nagkaon. What's your favorite sport? Right now, golf. Because that's the only sport I want to learn. Volleyball, it's been a long time since I played. Badminton, naduduling talaga ako. Pero I enjoy it naman. I enjoy it with the people I do badminton with. I play badminton with. And chess, I play chess with my brother. So, another sport that I love. And I wanna do tennis with my cousin. Nasulat ko yung Loka. Loka is about mental health naman. If you guys are new sa amin, I also wrote and produced Loka. It talks about the uncomfortable feeling and talks about mental health and the struggles of person dealing with mental health. So if you guys wanna listen to that, go. I also wrote that and produced that. Ahit Boys, I wrote the rap part as well of Ahit Boys. I also wrote then Boomerang. I produced and wrote Defy with the girls. But most of it I did produce and wrote it. Favorite snack right now? Donut teach, donut touch. Do you play Roblox? I do. May genre ka ba gusto i-try for G22? I do. Lapit na birthday ko. Happy birthday! Ikaw talaga weakness ko. Talaga ba? Paano kung sabihin ko ikaw din weakness ko? Ang weird, ano? I can do this on chat. Like, whenever I... Comfort words pa para sa mga tao may problema. Kantahan ko na lang kayo. Halika rito, sumakal ka ng 10 minuto. Sabay tayong maglalayag sa kawalan, sakay ng ating isipan. Iwan natin silang lahat, tayo muna hanggang sa pagtilat, pupurahin lahat ng alaala, kasama sila. Saglit lang, tayo munang dalawa. Saglit lang, tayo munang dalawa. Lumapit ka rito. Yan. Tomorrow is another day. Iyak mo lang yan ngayon. As in, buhos mo yan ngayon. Iyak mo yan, buhos mo yan. Eat your comfort food. Watch your comfort movie, film. Yan. Naka-experience ka po ba na research defense? Yes! And I'd say na kami ng friends ko, kami lang yung gumawa ng research namin. And we presented our research. Kami lang din. Wow, our rule. Kung may kakantahin ka para sa mga OFW na nangungulila ngayon. Ooh. OFW na nangungulila ngayon. Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitar at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay hindi mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala, ikaw aking musika. Kung dumating ang araw na hindi na maalala ng iyong matang aking ka, mahal, wag kang mag-alala. Tanda naman ng puso ang itsura ng naging pagsinta. Kung oras ay nababalik lang sana, ay babalik nung una kang nakita. Muli kang liligawan ng muli kong maranasan ng umibig sa anghel sa lupa. Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula. Hey, yun po. Kung speak hiligay nun, gamay lang. Ilong gaman ko. Eat well, Rainy. Tao ka ba? Malamang. Ano ako? Bagay tayo. Kung oras ay napag Ibabalik lang sana. Ibabalik mo. Taga saan ka? Originally I'm from Cavite. Alam nyo, may isa akong kanta na sobrang kinikilig ako pag napapakinggan ko, aside from Tibok. As in, ang ganda nung kantang, ano yun? Yung dumb conversations, we lose track of time. Have I told you lately, I'm grateful you're mine. We'll watch The Notebook for the 17th time. I'll say it's stupid and you'll catch me crying. We're not making out on road and around in the house. I made it blue, but there's nothing I do not. 1 million. Wow! Thank you so much! Oh my God! Ito ba yung first 1 million namin sa YouTube? Oh my God! That's a... Thank you! Oh my God! That's so high! That's so high! Oh my gosh! Let's go! Let's go! Thank you so much sa lahat ng nagsistream. You guys are the best. Like, kayo yan. Sa inyo yung you all take the credit for that. You guys are the reason why. Exam na namin. Mag-aral ka. La kwarta para manood ng Mariah Carey man. But fresh ka today? Kasi may tulog ako. Tapos gusto ko na niyang, ano yan? You'll always be my day one. Day zero when I was no one. Nothing but myself. You were no one else. Thankfully you're my day one. Kamukha mo si Neon. Sino si Neon? Neon na yun. Neon. Thank you po. Kung sino man. From Twice. Thank you so much. Feeling na pa. Oh my gosh, Miss Angel. Guys, I'm a big fan of Drag Race. Like, I've watched all seasons. And I'm just so happy. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like, I hope na, I'm so excited. Sana matuloy yung pinaplano nilang i-perform yun. I'm just, guys, talaga, manunod talaga ako. Alam mo, nakakatawa si Kuya, Kuya Stel. What if daw remix ng Dam tsaka ng Palaban. Tapos sabi niya, ano yung kinanta niya? Papaladam. Anong bakit? ko, hindi ko alam kung matakbo sa utak ni Kuya. Sabi niya, papapapaladam, anong pakiramdam? Wow! As in, talagang passionate talaga siyang kinanta niya talaga yun. Babalik. Parang manibela, kilya ang problema, hirap maibuelta, labo. Kamusta throat mo? Alam niyo, ang tigas ng ulo ko, hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin ako nagpapa-check up. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. Pero dapat magpa-check up na ako. Dami na nagsasabi sa akin. G22 as your wedding singer. What if, ano kaya kantahin namin? Kantahin ko na, kaya wedding singer kami, tapos kantahin namin yung di man balikan mo ng hirap, luhat lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon na pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko papalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Oh, heto tayo. Besu. Di ka po. Favorite song ko kay Ate Casey talaga yung sobrang LSS ako ngayon sa heto na naman tayo. Tinatoyo ang ako. Comfort movie? Ano ba comfort movie ko? Madami Kimi no Nawa. I also love watching 50 First Dates. You know why? Oh my gosh, you know why I love 50 First Dates? When I watch that, sabi ko, I'm not really gonna settle for anyone. You know why? Kasi, imagine mo guys, yung girl, may short-term memory loss siya. And, as in, naalala niya lang, hindi siya nakaka-accept ng new information. So, imaginein mo na nililigawan ka araw-araw ng taong mahal mo, tas pinipili niyang mahalin ka. Imagine niyo yun. Kaya siguro comfort movie siya for me. Kasi, yung interpretation ko, ina-interpret ko siya in a way sa life ko. Mahirap siya na palagi ko kailangan ligawan yung sarili ko na mahalin yung ginagawa ko. Kasi mahirap siya. Gets? Hindi siya rainbows and roses, glitz and glamour. It's it's thorns and roses, Parang you really have to ligaw yourself and convince yourself and really tell yourself that you love what you do. Kasi there are so many times, there's so many struggles you have to face, so many people who doubt you. And, you really have to convince yourself to love it, because sometimes you really forget it along the way. And it goes, parang, it also applies to a lot of people, especially on different career pathways. For example, in sa corporate world, corporate world, you have to do same shit every day. So you really have to convince yourself why you're doing it. You really have to legal yourself every day. Kaya siguro comfort, yung 50 First Dates. You guys have to watch it. It's a feel-good movie. Ballad song from SB, I think it would be Liham Papa Ibig ko diha hayaan compose ka ng song about struggles of working as people applied. We'll see. Yeah, nakapagpahinga naman kami guys, don't worry. Alam nyo, sometimes, like sobrang saya lang na, sobrang busy namin, I swear. Kaya medyo nahirapan kami to do live together. Kasi sobrang busy, we can't do live together kasi sometimes pagod na. Pero we're so grateful about all the opportunities coming our way. We're just so happy that the stars are aligning and we're just gonna do our best while keeping our feet on the ground. Kasi what the Lord can give you, He can also take. I truly believe in that teaching talaga. So, remain humble always. Kasi kung kaya niya ibigay, kaya niya rin kunin. Yun lang. Your lips is so unique. Thank you! Oh my gosh, alam nyo, isa yan sa, medyo insecurity in a way. Lips ko kasi hindi siya, hindi siya yung, alam niyo yun, yung parang, ganon, yung cute na lips. It's so big. It's literally so big. 50 First Dates versus The Notebook. The Notebook is a good movie. I love The Notebook. Pero, for me, 50 First Dates. Bawat sandali. Ano nga yung start nun? Palaban ballad version. Okay. Okay ka lang. Hirap nun. Is your bunny tooth real? Mukha namang real. Sci-fi movie. I really love, ano yun? I forgot the title. Ano nga yun, yung dad niya, pumunta siya sa outer space. Nandun si Anne Hathaway. Interstellar. I love Interstellar. I love it. Kasi medyo may facts din kasi siya eh. Do you watch One Piece? Yes, I do watch One Piece. Pero hindi na ako nakakahabol, guys. Wala akong time para manood ng One Piece at anong anime. Naiyak ako. Sa pagtatamang panahon, darating din yon. Ako naman ang pipiliin. Hi, Jad! I miss you. Jad Ong's here, guys. I miss you, King! Kain ulit tayo. Hello, Kateki. Oh my God, brown pala yung kulay ng mata ko. Tingnan nyo. Brown pala. Love Wins. Ano nga start nun? Kaya alam ko, ang tatanda ko lang yung favorite song ko kay Ayu. Isa sa mga favorite song ko kay Ayu. I'm a big Ayu fan. Kadiranan shaken ng toral temata siya nananalikan nagpalibaw yun nagkataon ajuke. Ay, Kitaeon ba to? Sorry. Mali. Kay Taeyeon pala to. Kay Taeyeon. Hindi, kasi sa film to ni IU. Diba? Diba film to ni IU? Pero, ang gusto kong yung song na... Ano nga yung favorite song ko kay IU? Basta sa series ni IU, na kinanta ni Taeyeon. Pero, ang gusto kong kanta ni IU, yung mahina ako sa title. Mahina ako sa title, guys. Nakakainis. Litong-lito na ako. Oh my gosh. All I like. Hindi, meron pa talaga akong favorite, as in. Through the Night. Ibang 그날의 반딧불은 당신의 가까이 부는가요. 사랑은 may isa pa akong gusto yung Fireflies ba yun? Fireflies basta may something Firefly. Yun yung pinaka-favorite ko talaga. Ayun, Through the Night. Through the Night yun. Sorry, Through the Night. May isa pa Basta Firefly. Love Poem. Yun ba? Mahina talaga ako sa lyrics, guys. I don't know. Hi, Charmel. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Magkasama din po ba kayo ni Ashton Olvika? Oh my gosh, Ashton! I miss her. She's really nice, guys. I swear. Sobrang bait niyan. Isa sa mga pinakamabait na nakilala ko, si Ashton. Very humble girl. As in, hindi pa siya si JJ. Bait niya. Super bait. She deserves kung ano man meron natatanggap niyang blessings ngayon. 가다라는 시간 때마다 utusan mo sila mag-sub sa YT. Guys, mag-subscribe na kayo sa YT channel namin. 30 na lang daw. Gagawa ko ng 30 na account. Charis! Guys, subscribe kayo, guys. Para may 100k subscribers na kami. Para meron na kaming silver play button. Gano'n mo kabilis na sulat yung kanta sa palba? Less than an hour? Siguro mga 1 hour. Ganun. Tapos pinasa ko na siya. Brown pala yung mata ko. 100k na? 100k! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Thank you so much! Oh my gosh! Thank you po. Thank you, guys. Thank you, bullets. Oh my gosh! Kayo naman. Ang bilis nyo naman. Kayo talaga. Kinikilig naman ako. 100k. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much. 1M plays and 100k on YouTube. Thank you, bullets. Kayo. Grabe 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 kayo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my God! Tik pa ako malaglag. Thank you po. Thank you po. At dahil dyan, may i-announce ako. Lang. Eme lang. Ah, grabe kayo. Nagbago na ang panahon, ibang-iba mula noon. Mula noon. Hindi na uso ang papayag lang, mananahimik lang. Ganon. Natuto ng fighter. Fighter. English version. Stupid love. Nagbain love ako sa'yo. Akala ko pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pero hindi nagtagal. Lumabas din ng tunay na kulay. Ang iyong kilay mapagmataas at laging namimintas, pero sarili kong pera ang iyong winawaldas. Parang kang sphinx, ugali mo ay nakaka-shrink. Pa-flex po ng biceps. Yuck! Oh my gosh, guys, ayoko nga ng biceps ko. As in, ayoko talaga. Sobrang insecurity ko din yung arms ko. Like, as in, nawala bangs mo. Ano ba yung jacket na? Jacket from H&M. That shit makes you hot. Uy, grabe naman. Ew. Eme. Happy Women's Month talaga. Mabuhay mga kababaihan. Yes. Yes. Huwag niyo ako paiyakin. Parang awa niyo na. H&M shirt na may face ng dito. Sobrang obvious. Bading. Ding bading 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 bading. Bading bading. Huwag sabi, oh, may kamutik ako ma-spoil. Di pwede sabihin. Shout out po sa akin. Shout out sa akin. Masaya pag may bading. Alam niyo yun? Yung meme na yun. Masaya pag may bading. Dapat may bading. Ikaw mo, di ka ma-spoil. Dapat hindi. Wait lang. Ang tagal ma-charge naman ito. Put 0% pa din. What's wrong with you? Smooth. Guys, may gagawin ba kayo bukas? Kwentuhan nga naman ako. Kwentuhan nga naman ako. How's your day? Kabula ka magbisaya eh, general. Dili. Dili talaga. Duty na naman, mamatay na naman sa pagod. Laban, kaya mo yan. Walang bagay na hindi mo kaya. Papansinin mo ba ako? Hindi. Depende. ship me with someone. Gusto niyo bang ano tayo dito? Mag-online date tayo dito? Shiship ko kayo mga nagko-comments. What if ganun, no? May bullet na nagkain laban. Ay! Oh my gosh. Pag may ganun, please, kwentuhan niyo ako, guys. Paano pag may bullet talaga na nagkain laban? That would be so fun. Bullet X Blue meron na. Yes! Bull Blue! Mga Bull Blue. Hello sa mga Bull Blue. Love you all. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, mga Bull Blue. Kayo talaga ang sobrang malago. Mga Bull Blue talaga ay mga malalagong nilalang. Oo. Yes. Patuloy kayong lumago, mga Bull Blue. Gabinuang man ko, no? Gabinuang man ko. Kag, ano? Palahubog man? Daw palahubog? Wala pa kainom, mauhin na. Tuog. Nga. My dream stage ka for G24. Yes, guys. Lollapalooza. Sana makapag-perform kami. Lollapalooza. O di ka Aurora Music Festival. Oh my gosh. May ansipon ako. Meron na naman ako something sa ilong ko. Every time in my mind I'm telling myself, should it be? Maoy ka ba? Dili! Kagahod man. Yes, kagahod. Pero di maoy. Hi, Zaira. Kapangalan mo yung pinsan ko. Ate, absent ka na naman daw. Sabi niya, oh my God. Oh my God. Renet. Nakakainis. Si Miss Covilly. Oh my gosh, naalala ko siya. Alam niyo guys, I think sobrang tagal na tong live na to. I think I need to go. Kumain kayo. Eat. Always eat. Don't skip any meals. You know, just continue on with your life. Rest. And yun lang. Enjoy. Enjoy kayo. Love you all. See you very, very soon. At maraming kaming inahanda para sa inyo. More things for you guys. And yeah. Love you all. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.